I have made a lot of videos related to this flying spinner in my channel. If you have not seen yet, you can visit my Pro Product channel and watch my all videos. But in this video, I'm going to explain about the flying spinner in details. I'm going to disassemble this toy and explain all the parts. What are the parts and how it operates or perform. First of all, we'll remove the cap of this flying spinner and even the backside cap of the toy. Now you can see these two parts are keep aside. Now here you can see this is called propeller. Let me take it out and let me explain about this. This is propeller, or you can say rotor blades. It creates a lift. Here is a two part. This is a blade and here you can see a hub. See this round and spherical part is called hub. This wing shape part moves with the air. The propeller is a spinning blade that makes the toy fly. You can say that this is also a main part. And let's talk about this hub. This is the center part that attaches to the motor stuff, which helps to rotate this blade. Now let's talk about this protective cage or frame. You can call it anything. It surrounds the propeller for the safety. This protective cage of the flying spinner is outer shell or frame, and the function of this protective cage is to protect the finger from cut while this propeller is spinning. It also protects the spinner, or you can say propeller, from the damage if this toy hits the wall, floor or furniture. It also improves the durability of the toy. Because of this protective cage, it allows safe for indoor or outdoor use. It is protective guard, propeller guard, safe cage or protective fin. You can say anything. Now let's talk about this motor. This motor spins this propeller. The motor is the main part of this flying spinner that converts electricity energy from battery into mechanical motion, or you can say rotational motion. This motor function is to spin the propeller at the high speed, generates lift by turning the propeller, which pushes air downward, keeps the spinner stable during flight. And the simple definition is an electric device that rotates propeller allowing the flying spinner to lift off, fly and stay balanced. Now let me open the back side of this flying spinner so that we can see what's inside. This is the battery, the power source of this device, and the function of this battery is it stores electricity energy and provide electricity to the motor and other electronic parts of the flying spinner. It is a rechargeable power source so that you can charge it when the battery runs down, or even you can say that when the battery runs low, you need to charge it again. This circuit board, even you can call it PCB board, controls the electricity. The main function of this circuit board is to supply battery electricity to the PVC. It distributes power to the motor and other components. It receives information from the sensor. Based on that information, it adjusts the motor's speed to keep the flying spinner stable and operate correctly. This is power on button, which turns the device on and off. This is the charging point from where you need to charge a battery. Just you need to plug the cable and charge the battery. Beside all of this, the main thing is the LED light. You can see here this LED light. The lighting of this LED stripe makes this toy more awesome. Besides all these parts, it has also a sensor. And a sensor is an electronic device that detects movements, position or nearby object and send this information to the PVC. And this function is this sensor detects your hand movement or nearby objects. It sends the information to the PVC processes the information, and the PVC adjusts the motor speed to control the flying spinner movement, and it also maintains the stability. Even you can call that the sensor part is the brain of this flying spinner. As this PVC board is the heart of this toy and sensor is the brain of this flying spinner. Now let me reassemble this toy again. Here now you can see this is assembled again. The light is blinking. I guess it's rotating now. It is very simple and easy. You can see the RGB light is on and it's rotating. Maybe lack of battery low, it's not performing well. Now I will show you how to fly this spinner. Let me start it. If you want to get one of these toy, there is a link in our description. You can go through the link. If you have any queries, just comment us below and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for tuning. See you next time.